My GoPro is doing some weird stuff.
Sorry.
Oh, no, no, no. I was just fixing it.
Did you get left?
What?
Did you get left or did you get...
No, I took the second stop for Christy. They just stopped at the first one.
Oh.
So I'm just up here. What are you planning on doing?
Head back down for lunch because it's almost that time.
Yeah.
Because
11:30, right?
The lift on the other side is shut down. So I couldn't get to the top of the mountain.
Shoot. Can you get up there at all?
You can, but you have to take the gondola. You have to take the Wild Blue.
Oh,
It's
crap.
the only way to get to the top. Or, well, you can go to Thunderhead and ski across to like Buddy's Peak or something. There's another one that you can go, but
Dude, that sucks. Nothing. Well, where's the rest of the crew? I stalked them and they were on, it looked like Wild Blue.
I have no idea. I hadn't heard from him.
Oh, you were doing your own thing?
Yeah, I just went by myself.
Got it.
I went down Why Not BC Skiway. There are so many lessons going on right now.
Yeah, because I took them to, we did. Yeah.
I made a jump. I made a jump into the school area.
Oh, shoot.
Well, they had like, they were teaching lessons, they had them kids there, and they had them spread out across the entire entrance to follow this Rough Rider goes like makes that jog.
Yeah.
They were spread across that entrance.
That's
There's nowhere to go.
Did you pass us? We were in that same area.
I don't know,
And it was insane. Like, cities had like kids all the way around the little here.
On Why Not? I had to like hard stop because they had a lesson. I had like 5 or 6 people, and instead of them being like right all right at the edge, it was like so they were like 3D. And then there's when the beginning except for there's some slow people going, it's fine, it's normal, it's a slow run, cool. But when you have slow people trying to go this, and then you
People
get
there.
all the rest of the space, it's a freaking problem.
Yeah, bro.
But there's people stopped in the middle of the runs,
Gosh.
and people skiing like if instead of like you and I skiing in a line, like they're all skiing
Together
side
next
by
to each
side.
other.
And
Which
so
slows
it's
them
like
down even more.
3 or 4 wide, and I'm like, how am I supposed to get by you?
Gosh, what a production.
It's ridiculous.
It's just all beginners. There aren't even that many people out here.
No. It's just people not being considerate of the fact that there are other people on the mountain.
Yeah. Those Monday skiers that don't work, I guess. Do you know where we're eating? I did tell them to text me where they ended up. So let's see if they stuck to their promise here. Well, they ate somewhere different yesterday, so they weren't sure. Because Gracie mentioned that she wanted to try it.
Try what?
The place y'all ate yesterday. Or that they ate yesterday. The 3. Probably have time to go down one more time. Look at that little boy. Look at that little dude.
I know, right?
He's so cute. I mean, I'm down. I'd rather do that than just stand.
Do it.
Little dude. Taking a stealthy picture of him. I was pretending to take a selfie. I'm never wearing this jacket again. The zippers do not zip back up.
Well, then just stop unzipping the zippers. It's problem solved.
Okay, so everything that I use will just fall out on the mountain.
No, I said stop unzipping them. Leave them zipped.
So then how am I gonna get everything out?
Well, don't put anything that you need out. Here. Now you should be able to pull up on that.
Thanks.
There
Thank
you
you. Muchas gracias.
Welcome.
De nada.
How's everybody else doing? How was theirs?
Great.
I'm sorry, I didn't even think to, like, I didn't even ask if, like, hey, do you want to ski down? And what, I just took off.
Wait, just now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I was just like,
I was like, okay.
Sounds good. We've
No,
had
I
a
just following
conversation
you.
now, and I just left.
No, it's okay. I was like, I'll just follow.
Sorry about that.
Oh, it's all good.
I just realized, like, I didn't really.
Oops, sorry, that was close.
I was gonna say, be careful about that, because if you kick one of my skis off here, it's gonna be a problem. Or if you, or if you kick one of your skis off.
Also a problem. I want to go up that thing,
Up what thing?
down that obstacle course.
This here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'd look like an idiot. I don't want the incoming gondolers to be like, what the crap is she trying to do? Who's she trying to be? She don't know what she's doing.
Yeah, so right there we turned into a gulch. So they had that whole thing locked off. So they had those two big boats.
Yeah.
There's a little gap over to the left of it. And so I was like, okay, I can squeeze through there. But I didn't realize it had like a 1 foot drop off.
Okay.
So I came through there and I was like, oh shit.
Crap.
And plus because I was like, there's little kids right here.
Yeah, you
and I'm like, and I landed it and I was like, and I think like, I thought I heard the dude yelling at me and I figured he was like, you know, hey, no jumping. I didn't mean to.
You had no intention to jump.
I
You just didn't know what else to do.
rather not jump, but it all possible. Not how I roll.
Whoa, my gosh! What in the crap was that? Good lord.
Maybe you guys could go over something. We just set it right here. Okay. Didn't we just have our weight off something? I didn't want to jump.
Yeah, that was intense. Oh my gosh, look, he has a baby strap on. Look. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. No, literally, the baby's mouth was just open and his limbs were just dangling. He was like, like no thoughts, just blank.
I've seen ones that they have skis where they like strap your kids when they're bigger. They strap them to their legs and then they have bindings in the front so that their feet.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, love babies.